Keegan, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to be doing my dorm room decor haul. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I got for my dorm room. I love doing these videos. If you guys did not see, I did 2 videos where I went shopping for my dorm shopping vlogs. I'll have those linked down below if you guys want to watch them. They were really fun to film and to like see you guys react to them. Another side note, I have 2 giveaways going on right now. I have an Instagram giveaway going on, which is a gift card giveaway, and then I also have a YouTube giveaway. You guys can win a lot of good things like a Steve Madden backpack, school supplies, makeup, all that stuff. Go to my Instagram and like follow me and check out all the stuff there, and then the YouTube giveaway will be linked down below. I will be a sophomore at Arizona State University, and I will be living in my sorority house, which those are dorm styles. I'll have a roommate and a communal bathroom, so I'll be living in a dorm again basically. Woohoo. Since I lived in a dorm last year, I will be reusing a lot of things that I had before, like towels, dishes, stuff like that. I'm like looking over here because that's where all my stuff is. I pretty much only have decor that I had to buy, which is like great, really fun for me. So let's get started. First thing I got are sheets. These are from Bed Bath & Beyond, and these are what I got last year. I don't know if the brand is called Sheet Set. I don't think it is because I think that sounds really stupid for me to say that. These are the softest sheets ever. They're benzoyl peroxide resistant, which is like acne medication. I don't know how they make benzoyl peroxide resistant stuff, but these sheets are so soft, so comfy. I made sure to get them again, and they were really cheap. They were like $9.99, and I only got 1 because I really think that buying 2 is just like unnecessary. Easy care, wrinkle resistant. I'm obsessed with these sheets, and I'm so glad I got them again. I really want them to make them in like a bigger size for like my bed at home, or like one day when I get an apartment. Sheets. I put my bedding in here. My bedding is from Urban Outfitters, and if you guys saw my like summer nighttime routine, you guys saw that I unboxed it there, and it is so itchy and uncomfortable, but like it's fine. We're gonna roll with the punches. I'm like loosely looking for another bedding. I love this. I think it's so cute, but if I find something better, then I'll go with it. It's white, and then if you guys can see, it has, that is the wrong direction. It has like this kind of like X formation with this like ruching. I think it's really cute. You guys will definitely see the theme that I'm going for my room. Also, I just like choked saying that. Also, my next video will be my dorm room plan video. So I did this video last year. I basically explained to you guys everything that I plan on doing with all these decorations and how I plan to like decorate my dorm and move my furniture around. That will be my next video. So some of the DIY stuff that I have here, you guys will be able to be like, oh, that's for. She's not just buying bushes for no reason. We'll get there. So I think it's really cute. I wanted a white bedding. I thought it'd be really cute. I may stain it because I'm a total mess. Yeah, this is what I got. It's not the softest. It's, oh no, I just unfolded it. It's like all out. Oh gosh. Intermission. Wait. Why is it not? I don't know how they make it so small when they put it into little packages. I put a ton of fabric softener on this hoping it would help, but it really didn't. I also bought the pillowcases. So here's the pillowcase. It's kind of like a better showing of what it'll look like if you can, see the little ruching kind of X formation thing. I was stupid. Accidentally bought another set of pillowcases. I don't think I can return them either. So that's my bedding. You guys are gonna think I'm so lame, but I love getting a good deal. And I got hangers. These are the velvet hangers. I'm obsessed with these. They are very thin. They save a lot of room, and then your clothes don't like fall off because they're velvet. I got a pack of 100 of these for $30 on Amazon, and the pack of 50 was $25. So I spent $5 more and got double. I just love getting a good deal. Call me nerdy, but these are my favorite things ever. I needed some more hangers because I shop a lot. Since I just showed that from Amazon, we'll go into the rest of the Amazon stuff. I got this jumbo pack of command strips. I don't know if they're command strips or command tape. It just says command brand. Picture? It doesn't say. I'm sure you guys know that you can't put holes into walls of dorms. So I got these. These are really great. They don't like peel paint or anything. And these are for some picture frames. Okay, well I got something else and now I can't find it. So that kind of sucks. Oh, they're right here. We're good. I also got 80 of these command hooks. They're just the teeny little clear ones. Oh, one broke. Oh, another one broke. Maybe that's like intentional that that one's broken. I got 80 of these. I also got 2 things of twine. My theory was that I'd rather have too much than too little, so I got too much. Definitely don't even think I need 1 whole thing of twine, but got 2 things here. I also got some floral wire. So this is the DIY that I'm doing. I've already kind of like tested out. This stuff has poked me so many times, but it's fine. These are called embroidery hoops, and these are also for the DIY. I bought 5 sets of these. So far I've used 2 of them for the DIY that I'm doing, which you guys will see in my next video. I might order more. Here's the other 2 in case you were wondering. I also got this. These are from Joann's. It looks like a freaking forest. It's not wanting to stay up, but I bought 5 of these. It was like $90. Might return some, but the DIY turned out really cute and I used this for it. I really like it. Here's my little forest. I got this trash can and I never thought a trash can could be cute. But I feel like it's cute because it's a square, like a rounded square. A little story time. When I got it, I was looking for a cheaper trash can, the one that I had last year, and I couldn't find it. So I found this one, and then the next time I went to that store, I found the cheaper one. But this one's really cute, so like it's okay. I really like this trash can. Never thought I would say that. You know, Forky when he's like, I'm trash. Me too. Let's go on into the fun stuff. From at home, I got this pillow. It's like this oatmeal color. I really like the texture of it. I got it to match this throw blanket from Urban Outfitters. Really cute. It's like this oatmeal color and it has like these like peach little pom-poms, and at the end it has these little tassel-y thingies. It's so cute. It's so comfy. It sheds a lot, so if you're gonna get it, you're gonna get fuzz everywhere. But the thing, they don't really match. On camera they actually match a lot more than they do in person. In person, this is more pink and this is more oatmeal. So yeah, I went to a store for like an hour just trying to find something that would match this. This was the best I got, but I really like it, so we're gonna keep it. We're also keeping this because it's so cute. Some other throw pillows I got this white one. It just has like this kind of, I don't know what to call this. For some reason I'm thinking tribal, but I don't think it is. It's just a white pillow with some like white texture on it. I think I'm gonna return this one. I feel like I would have too many white pillows if I kept this. What do you guys think I should do with this? Do you guys think that I should like keep it and like put it on a chair or something, or just like return it? Because I don't want to have it on my bed with all the other pillows, but I do think it's really cute. I do think it goes with like the vibe that I want to go for my room. I could put it in different areas. I could have like a pillow corner, or again like put it on a chair. So like, what do you guys think I should do with this? Because I still think it's really cute. I want to use it if it's possible. Comment down below your ideas. This one I'm obsessed with. I think it's so cute. It kind of has like this like fluffiness on both sides and then it's like non-fluffiness in the middle. I think it's adorable. I need to like mess it up so the fluffiness stands up. And then I also got this round like tufted pillow. I really like the sides. They're like ruched or whatever that's called. I think it's really pretty. What I'm actually planning on doing is trying to find like some gem or like fabric to put right here that will match this pillow, because if we do this, okay, the tags are up. We want to make it look pretty. So if we do this, do you see how like it looks awkward how there's one non-white one and then two white ones? So if I add a little bit of like oatmeal color here, I think it would be pretty cute. On the hunt. Other things that I got a thing of 2 hand towels, pink ones to match my regular towels. My hand towels from my dorm last year were just like disgusting because I always used it to dry my beauty blender. So now there's foundation all over them. So I just got 2 new ones. Pretty exciting if you ask me. These are from IKEA. I got 3 of these wicker baskets because my dorm closet is like one of those like sliding ones. So I thought that I could put the 3 on the top shelf. If there is a top shelf, hopefully there is one. But my mom was like, get 3. Things are better in 3. So I was like, okay. So I got 3 of them. I think they're really cute and I like I think it's called wicker, if I'm not mistaken. These are most definitely an impulse purchase. I saw them and I was like, you know what, I kind of want them. I was also considering getting cloth ones, but I thought that these ones were cuter. They have the little holder right here. There was also the ones I like the holder in the middle, but they were a little bit more expensive and they were pretty much the same thing. So I was like, why not just get these ones? This is called Bernice. I don't know how to it has like the 2 dots in front of the A, or on top of the A, but I thought these were cute. I thought I could store maybe like swimsuits or shoes or camera equipment, things like that. And even if I don't have that shelf above my closet, I could store these somewhere in my room because I just think they're cute. They go with like the style, and I feel like they'll also match kind of like the wood that will be in my dorm, which you guys will see in my dorm room plan video, because the furniture is light wood, which I think this will be a little bit darker, but I still think it'll be really cute. One thing that I always struggled with in college is not having enough storage, so I think that these will definitely help. And I'm not sure if I should like put them together when I move or if I should just keep them in the little flat containers. I guess we'll just see what I plan on doing with them. The last thing's all the way over there, so I'm gonna like jump to get it. I don't want to scratch it. We're gonna do the little one first because the little things are cute. I got this picture frame. It's Hofsta. That is not the correct way to pronounce it, but this is also from IKEA. I thought this was like cute and little. I haven't decided if I want to keep it for myself or like give it to someone as like a apartment housewarming kind of present. Either way, I think it's cute and it's like a nice little wood color, very modern. Very last thing that we got, I got 3 of these picture frames. So these are Riba, something like that. I was planning on getting square picture frames, but I ended up getting the rectangles because I felt like the square was too big. I did like the square ones more, but it'll be fine. So I'm planning on having 3 of these. Oh, it's gonna like break something. Hi. Hey. So I have these three that I'm going to put like next to each other. I'm just gonna set these down. I think the only thing that I have left to get for my dorm is just to print out pictures for these, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, that was fun. Is there anything else I'm missing? I don't think so. So that was my dorm decor haul. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to enter my 2 giveaways on Instagram and on YouTube. I really want you guys to win. There's some really good stuff in there. Subscribe if you're not already, because welcome to the Acton Army. Hello. And don't forget to check out my 2 dorm shopping vlogs. I will have those linked down below as well. Lots of stuff linked down below. I'll also link down below my video on my dorm decor haul from last year because I had so much stuff. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.